Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love me. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. And in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing review of ISEE hair. What led me to getting this hair specifically was I was looking for a unit that matched my natural curl pattern the most. Before I shaved it off and everything, before my alopecia got this bad, it was a specific texture. I would say 3B-ish. 3B, 3C in some sections, but mostly 3B. Yeah. Anyways, so I was doing research. I've been doing extensive research, and before hair vendors really knew how to recreate hair textures that most resembled black people's hair, it used to be $400 for a wig that had a kink to its curl. And so I just calmly waited until it became more of an affordable price. This unit, I spent about, I believe, $130 on it. All of the information, the specifics, the details will be in the description box below. So if you watch this video and you want this unit, definitely go down, scroll, read up, and send me pictures. Drop your pictures in the comments, all that. I put my social media down there. Send it to me. I would love to see you guys in this unit. I would love for y'all to tell me if I inspired you to get it, all that, whatever. Good vibes. But yeah, let's get started. It came in this FedEx bag, so I'm assuming FedEx shipped it to me. And then it came in this bubble wrap. This is fire. Like, they wanted to preserve the box. They wrapped the box that's preserving the hair in bubble wrap. That's dope. Dope. Alright. Ooh. Princess series. Oh, it matches me. This is so cute. Oh my god. I like their packaging so far. This is what it looks like on the box. It says see your beauty. Oh shoot, hold on. Oh hey, ISEE princess. Oh hey, princess. It calls me my princess. It says, oh hey, my princess. Like, okay. This is Mongolian Hair, 180 density. It's actually a bit longer than I thought it would be. It came with 3D mink lashes. Are you kidding me? These are actually cute. These are actually, are you sure? I see you, okay. It came with an elastic band for the back. It's actually a good elastic band. Usually they give like flimsy ones. Tip, trick, tidbit, whatever you want to call it. Whenever you're getting an elastic band for the back of your wig, do not get a wig band, get a clothing elastic band, because wig bands are very flimsy and they don't do anything for you. It came with this paper with instructions on how to maintain the hair. I'll look into that later. And it came with a wig cap. I mean, yeah, this is valid. I mean, yeah, this is nice. This is helpful. Thank you, ISEE. Thank you. BC Dubs, this is not sponsored. I just ordered this. They did not pay me yet. They didn't pay me. Yeah, it has a little thank you note at the bottom of the box. Okay, so this is 14 inches stretch length. I didn't want to get it OD long because of the style that I wanted to do with it. Hold on, let me. Ooh. That was a little package thing. Okay. It doesn't really have a strong process smell, which is a plus. Ooh, I love the smell of new hair. Like, some people love the smell of clean sneakers or fresh out the box sneakers. Just new hair is fire. Oh, do you see the curls on this unit? Do you see the curls on this unit though? Oh, yeah. Hold on, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. Yo, I can't. I'm that excited now because wait till y'all see what I do with this unit. Hold on. It messed up my do-rag. And we're back. The lace isn't that thick. I mean, it doesn't necessarily match my skin complexion to the T, but that's okay because I didn't order any specific type of lace, but this lace is very much manageable. The knots did not come pre-bleached. As you can see, I do have to bleach the knots. The lace in the front though is deep. Like, look at how far back the lace on this unit goes. It's from here to here. I will be cutting off these combs because I don't need it. But oh, that kind of hurted. Let me see. I kind of really don't want to comb through it because I feel like I'm gonna mess up these curls. But this is so pretty, guys. I'm really excited. It comes with this little baby hairs. I'm probably gonna pluck those. Oh, it has a little lace in the back. But let me see. The way that it's looking right now, I don't think I'll be able to pull it up. The lace in the back isn't that long for that to actually happen. I don't necessarily know why this is here. I'll cut that off. But yeah, let's get into it ASAP. Follow me.
And the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show me. And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Without ever letting you know. Let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Got up in my
You put a more developer, and then that makes it look like a smooth red.
The smooth red.
Yes.
Okay, so I added 4 of the box dyes because this is really curly hair and I wanted to saturate it as much as possible. I also pretty much emptied the developer because I don't want it too thick. I want it to be able to saturate to saturate the curls even if I don't put it directly on the hair. I want it to be drippy. Like, I want it to fall. Oh Jesus, this is still thick. Oh my god, it's supposed to be droop and it's not going droop. It's not. Oh my god. Hold on, y'all.
For kids that are watching it, what she's trying to say is she wanted to be like not thick, like smooth.
Right, girl, I want it to be liquidy
Why?
so that it can get everywhere.
you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Without ever letting you know. Caught up in my teeth. Caught up in my teeth. Just like money when I speak. Caught up in my teeth. And I missed you in the basement. Yeah. Caught up in my teeth. Bodies on the pavement. And if you love me, but you never let me go. And the roof was on fire, you never let me know.
Okay, so it's been 3 hours and let's just see what the hair looks like. Oh, okay, so I can definitely tell that the hair has taken some of the dye already. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it definitely looks a little bit burgundy, at least to me. I'm gonna wash it off now. I was debating on leaving it in for another 30 minutes, but this isn't my first time doing this, and after 3 hours it definitely did take the dye, and if anything needs to be done or redone, I want to know now. So yeah, let's wrap this up and let's go.
Just like money when I speak. Caught up in my tape. And I missed you in the basement. Yeah, caught up in my tape. Bodies on the pavement. And if you love me, but you never let me go.
this was bound to happen, but with this unit, I did get dye on the lace, but I will definitely get the dye out. I got the roots. That was my concern. I wanted to get every single part of it. You can always go back and fix mistakes, but I was trying to make sure. I did not want to re-dye this again. I was not waiting a whole nother 3 hours just for this to be re-dyed. Yo, I know you see this. I know you see this hair. There's no way you're not telling me. There's no way you telling me this not mine. Okay? There's just no way on earth. Bro, it's so... Let me get in close. Get into the curl action. Yes, honey. Yes. I'm sorry. Like, baby, I've been looking long and hard for a unit like this. And this really qualified for what I was looking for. Oh, you said do this? That's how they be. This. Like, y'all, this is mad cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, I mean, I still gotta cut it, like, just a tad, because I want this to be more, like, of a diagonal. I cut the front because it was too long for me. And I don't think I'm gonna really do anything else with it too much, because it's just a frontal. If I really wanted to, like, do something real extra, I would definitely get, like, a 360 frontal. Put this joint up, put in a ponytail. I might try for y'all. Maybe. For this unit, my review, I would say it's really nice hair. It's minimal shedding. The hair that did come out from it, it was because I was plucking the frontal. The lace blended in really well on my skin. I really do appreciate that. The curl pattern stayed throughout bleaching, throughout dyeing, throughout everything like that. It didn't really have a smell. I mean, in all honesty, this is really good hair, and as long as you moisturize it, I definitely think that... Oh, I gotta cut that. Where was it? This? Gotta go. But as long as you maintain the hair and moisturize it, it should definitely stay the way you want it to. For this hair, I'm gonna definitely give it... I'd say 5 stars. 5 stars, because I put it through a lot, and it's maintained its body, it's maintained its curl, and it's everything that oh, look how far back this part is, all the way back here, top of my scalp. We love to see it. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see me do any specific hairstyles, if you want a tutorial on how I did this, honestly, because this, I keep touching it because it's just so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. It's definitely been a journey, honestly and truly. I have some videos that I've taken on TikTok, some videos that I've posted on here, so definitely check out my TikTok. It will be in the description box below. Follow all my social medias. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby. The content I'm about to be putting out, baby, you want to be down. You want to be in the know, because if you're not in the know, then what you do? What you doing, baby? Wasting your time, obviously, goddamn. Bye, my beautiful people. Love y'all. Love all of you. Deuces. Peace.